In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Foodpanda discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Foodpanda discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called WordPenny and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some deals and promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 20% discount of your entire order, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can use this promo code on your next order to get a 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Picodi. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So right here, for example, let's say you want to get this one with 15% discount. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says reveal the code, and I'm just going to close this window. So for this one, as you can see, there is no code required because the code will be applied automatically. So all you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says go to Foodpanda, and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.